Network Entertainment.
Hello and welcome to Walang Edit with me, Leland Lim. This episode is in collaboration and powered by Robinson's Department Store. And as you can see, nandito ako ngayon wala ako sa TPN studio ngayon. Nandito ako sa Robinson's Department Store and Galleria. And for this episode, we have two special guests in the fashion industry. My first guest is a graduate from the Ateneo de Manila University with a management degree, worked as a financial analyst, and briefly pursued a corporate career before fully embracing this creator journey. Yes. He overcame a challenging fitness journey. Wow. From being morbidly obese. Is this true? Let me know.
That's true. That's
totoo
true.
To,
Yes, totoo yan.
in his early teens to a disciplined gym regimen and won the Fitspiration Youth Award in 2018.
Yes.
Formed the viral creator duo Tim and Tom with his friend Timothy Laude. Tama.
Yes,
Collaborating on trending TikTok and YouTube content that blends humor, pranks, and relatable moments. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Tommy Chanko.
Hello. Thank you for having me. It's an honor.
How are you, Tommy?
Good. Excited. First podcast ko to actually.
Talaga?
Yes. So, very excited.
Good for you kasi hindi ka nag-iisa today.
Oo nga. May
Kasi
kasama tayo.
ang second guest natin is none other than the dynamic Filipino stylist creator whose eye for fashion and visuals positions him at the heart of the local style scene. Served as a stylist for international brands, a regular contributor for Billboard Philippines covering lifestyle and creatives. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the rising stylists in the Philippines, none other than Kurt Abonal.
Wow.
Thank you for having me. Such an honor.
My pleasure for having both of you.
Yes.
I'm assuming, no, I'm not assuming. This is your first
Yeah, this is our first time.
tas sa
First time,
podcast ko
oo.
pa.
Yeah,
no?
exactly.
Yes.
Ready na ba kayong sa mga unfiltered takes natin today?
Handa
Go
na.
for it.
Let's go.
Gusto ko yung ambience natin dito kasi nasa department store talaga kami sa Robinsons. Do you guys, how often do you do shopping sa department stores? Kasi I think for me personally, one of my favorite things pag nagpupunta ako ng department store is kuha mo lahat. Alam mo yun, you don't need to walk miles and miles before you get the clothes that you really want.
Yeah.
So, kayo paano diskarte nyo pag pumapasok kayo sa Robinson's department store?
Brief muna.
Brief muna. So, underwear.
Tapos mga sporty stuff.
Sporty
Tapos,
stuff.
Kung may mga kailangan iba pang damit, diba, dun ako. Pero usually, napapadalas ako mag-department store kasi kailangan ko ng mga costume sa mga ibang pinagagawa ko. Sa TikTok, sa YouTube, sa mga content.
Right. Anong favorite mong, kasi I'm assuming you're in, bukod sa lifestyle,
Yeah.
nasa Fitspiration trends ka.
Yeah.
So, fitted ba lahat?
Hindi naman. Siyempre, minsan masarap mag-loose eh.
Okay.
Mag-loose stuff. Oo.
Actually, Kurt, as I think you're the youngest one here. So, parang, what's your take on the whole, what...
Loose.
Yung mga loose,
Mga loose fit.
and fit. How do you compare? Does it mean na pag nag-loose ako, Gen Z ako?
Not necessarily naman. Siguro, in terms of yung usage ng loose clothing, I think it's more of the comfortability. Tapos, kung saan talaga mas magiging confident yung magsusuot.
Yeah.
Kasi not everything talaga it needs to be fitted.
Oo,
So, yun yung prefer mismo ng generation right now.
Yeah.
Actually, growing up, yung mom ko kasi every time, when we were a child, kami dalawa ng kuya ko, she always stands to buy sa mga department stores, lalo here, kasi we live nearby Robinsons. And since I'm not really into fashion that time, since bata pa naman, my mom would always buy us simple basics like t-shirts and pants and anywhere na parang basic na hindi ko na dati kasi parang I find it irksome to wear basic clothes, pero now that I realize na parang you can elevate it up moving push it further.
Actually, magandang discussion din yun kasi I think growing up, I don't know about you, Tommy, pero yung parents ko before, sa department store din, lalo na pag bibilhan ka ng mga back to school clothes.
And super accessible kasi.
And I think, I don't know about you guys, pero ako, para na-adapt ko yung mentality that if I need a lot of stuff, department store muna.
Yes. Agree.
Diba? Parang yun yung priority. Pero I wanna hear your thoughts din. Kasi ako personally, sobrang fan ako ng comfort clothes. You call it comfort clothes, yung mga loose lahat. Hindi masikip. Kasi before, uso yung
skinny.
Yung tiis ganda.
Yeah.
Diba mga...
Naalala ko mga panahong 2018, uso pa yung mga jeggings eh. Skinny jeans. Super skinny jeans. Diba? Tapos ngayon nakikita ko nga, sobrang iba na. But, ako personally, nung na-try ko siya, nung una parang sabi ko, baka hindi bagay sa akin. But when I tried it, parang medyo I can't go back na rin. Masarap talaga pagka...
Parang gano'n, no?
Ang sarap, oo.
Actually, ako...
Parang naka-pajamas, diba?
Oo.
Exactly.
Yung merong extra air inside. Yung pagka pinagpag mo...
Flowy, napaka-flowy. Yeah, I totally agree.
Ikaw, Kurt?
For me, I think the biggest factor, siguro there's a cultural in fashion and psychological kung bakit mas prefer na ngayon yung ganun. Kasi, di ba ever since pandemic happened, parang people, di ba, work from home lahat. Tapos, you also need to be presentable when you work. So, people utilized yung mga airy clothes, like loose clothes. So, with that, and syempre na-normalize na siya that time, and nung naka-recover na tayo from pandemic, it proved na you can still look presentable while still wearing those clothes.
Right.
Yeah.
So, parang, ako actually, lahat ng suot ko ngayon, galing dito eh.
Talaga ba?
Hindi
Okay,
joke Totoo to.
Okay,
Yung pants ko galing sa Levi's dito sa kaliwa ko.
Okay.
Tapos shoes ko, New Balance, nandito rin. So parang nag-shopping ako before going here. And it only took me like...
One-stop shop talaga.
Wala pang isang oras. Usually
Yun.
pag naglilibot ka, di ba, it would take you hours.
So you have to check everything before you purchase.
And I think, nag-elevate siya.
Yeah.
Like these days. Kasi... Before, go-to mo siya for your, like what you said,
underwear.
one-stop.
One-stop shop.
One-stop shop. Underwear, undershirt.
Yeah.
But now, it's been elevated to the point na lahat ng gusto mong hanapin in a fashion sense.
Yeah.
All there.
It's all there.
I think maganda rin sa department store. If may, let's say, peg kang outfit or may hinahanap kang certain item, dito mo siya mahanap eh. Yung hindi ka na mag-iikot-ikot sa mall, diba?
Pag gusto mo maging specific, no?
Minsan kasi may ganun na kung mga times eh. Yeah.
Tsaka, I think now, we are in the era of personalization.
Yes.
Meaning, okay, merong trends every now and then. Like baggy, straight, wide, however you wanna call it.
Yes.
Diba? Oversized, crop. Diba? Sa men's fashion. But now, parang we are in the age of personalization na kahit pwede magawing fashion.
Yeah.
So parang, how do you explain that, Kurt, from a stylist perspective?
Siguro one thing that people should remember that trends doesn't last. So you must always have like basics on your wardrobe na
Basics.
Yeah, yung basics talaga yung important kasi yun nga if yung mga flare jeans naging sikat ulit, parang mawawala din yan agad. So ngayon, as we can see, yung mga uso ngayon, siguro yung mga baggy, like the cargo and all that. So moving forward, parang it's good to have in your wardrobe like basics like jackets, like coats, like blazers, like a clean sneakers, para you can, over time, hindi siya nalalaos.
Tingin mo malalaos ever yung
Which one?
Etong comfort fashion na to, or comfort clothing, meaning
I don't think na hindi siya malalaos over time kasi it looks clean, it looks polished, na it looks mayaman, na parang if you move forward sa coming years, parang hindi siya kasi parang OA, like in your face na extravagant na tingnan, so like it's more polished tingnan.
Kasi ako sorry sa mga nakikinig pero ako nakikita ko agad yung edad mo sa pants na pinipili mo So pag nakita ko si Kurt at nakita kong naka loose baggy denim pants siya, parang maisip ko agad, okay, Gen Z to.
Actually, it's sa barrel jeans, baggy siya na barrel. So, ngayon lang din siya nauso yung mga barrel jeans, yung mga elephant
Sobrang
cuts.
baggy, no?
Oo. So, tama ba yun? Na, let me know if you agree.
Parang I agree.
So, kunyari, ito yung wide pants meter, no?
Oo.
Pag panipis siya ng panipis, patanda ka ng patanda.
Patanda ng
Ganun ba yun?
patanda.
Or is it just a fashion trend?
Parang
Sa
medyo
fashion
nga,
trend.
kasi nung ako, nung parang yung idea ngayon is if gusto mong bumata yung itsura mo,
Liwagan mo.
pagka may kasama kang fashionista, bibilin sa'yo mga maluluwag na stuff diba? So
Okay.
parang yun nga yung pansin ko. Yeah.
I hope this trend, never lasts. Kasi, ako personally, ayoko na bumalik sa masikip.
Yeah.
Like, ayoko nang mag-skinny jeans ulit.
Like the skinny jeans in 2010, Super
kasi-
uso siya.
Pawis na ako tsaka para kang bumalik gamit time machine Alam mo yun? Parang, or is it like, baka naman ako lang?
For me, siguro yung skinny jeans. Although, maraming may ayaw doon. Pero ako, I appreciate na, ewan ko, parang I see a lot of people wearing like the skinny jeans, especially the straight ones. And, para kasi yung skinny jeans kasi, perfect siya sa mga, if you're tall, and you're like skinny.
Yeah.
Right.
Especially kasi yung mga models dati. Kasi I always like I always read magazines before. Tapos doon ako kumukuha ng inspiration. Like before yung mga internet, kasi yung may YouTube, parang I see like, on how they style skinny jeans na parang, they could wear something, volume sa top, tapos skinny jeans sa baba. So parang, it's all about proportion siguro in how you style yourself if you're tall. Pero it doesn't apply to everyone naman na parang, bagay siya sa akin. Pero hindi talaga for everyone yung
Tama.
skinny jeans,
Kumbaga, body type mo rin Yung
Oo,
magdidikta ng
yeah.
fashion mo.
That's parang naalala ko ng mga 2018 nung naka-skinny jeans ako. Yung sinusot ko parang medyo masikip lang sa arms na t-shirt pero flowy everywhere. And then sobrang sikip na skinny jeans. Akala ko yun yung nagpapamukhang matangkad. Ngayon, pag binabalikan ko, mukhang Johnny Bravo pag nakikita ko yung photos ko. Tapos ngayon, baliktad naman, di ba? Parang rule of thirds daw. May rule of thirds
yeah.
pa nga now, di ba?
Paano yung rule of thirds?
Parang paano yun? Like, dapat yung pants mo mas mahaba pa rin, di ba? And then mas bitin yung top. Kaya nauso yung crop
It's
top.
more of like, proportion siguro.
Mas mumukha ka
Yun
daw
yung sinasabi.
matangkad.
Pagka mas longer yung pants, visually,
Visually,
nakikita.
yeah.
Kaya inangat yung...
Oo.
Oo, para you don't look small.
Your legs look long, di ba?
Yeah.
Yun nga.
And if still look small, dapat yung shoes mo medyo may height para, alam mo yun,
Ayun.
balances
Okay.
everything.
Yeah.
Ako, I like itong New Balance. Gusto ko yung medyo wide. So, hindi siya dahil sa body type ko siguro,
Yeah.
pero dahil sa comfort.
Oo.
Would that matter?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah.
So, if you're more on the skinny side, mas bagay sa'yo, I'm assuming flat shoes?
Yeah.
Ganon.
Kasi if you're wearing skinny tapos malaking shoes ka, parang it looks awkward. No.
Pero yun yung uso dati, di ba?
Actually, yun yung uso.
Yun yung uso dati.
And I see, actually right now, I see someone still wear it and it looks good naman. Parang, I don't see anything bad. Parang, personal preference lang talaga ng eye ng tao. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng tingin So, like, it matters.
Yeah. Actually, thank you pala for being here. Before I forget, we're recording this on a weekend, Sabado ngayon. So, galit sa akin yung TPN crew kasi dapat off-duty sila today. Pero, alam mo yun, pinagtrabaho ko sila. But, I wanna talk about more on sports. Actually, kasi minimix and match na yung sports
Yes.
fashion ngayon sa leisure.
Oo. At
Diba?
leisure, no?
At leisure na nga
Sobrang
So,
uso ngayon.
yeah, so how do you take that into consideration? Like whenever you go on your daily routine, kasi mas sports
Yeah.
ka rin. Dalawa sports mo, di ba?
Oo. Tennis, basketball, tapos may gym pa.
May gym pa.
Yeah.
Wow.
So ako personally kasi I'm not the type na medyo I'm on the side na mas tamad magbihis Parang nagbibihis lang ako when I have to.
Anong go-to mo pag tamad bihes look?
Black t-shirt talaga. Black t-shirt. Kaya pero okay rin nga yung comfort wear na sinasabi mo kasi black t-shirt then lalagay lang ako ng like loose na joggers, sapatos, then cap, okay na
Yeah, exactly.
Okay na, you can rock it na 'di ba?
So parang pagka mas madali kasi athleisure, no?
For
Hindi
me.
mo kailangan masyado mag-isip minsan.
Oo, hindi na. Yeah.
Neutral colors kung
Yeah.
gusto mo.
Pero generally now, parang mas I think mas uso na rin basic clothing, no?
Yeah,
Compared
yeah.
to before. Dati kasi graphic t-shirt lagi, diba?
Yeah,
Yun yung uso eh. Ngayon parang
Ah.
basic okay na eh.
Basic.
Basic meaning walang print.
Oo,
Yeah.
black, white.
Clean, sharp.
Yeah, clean.
Pagka ba athleisure kasi is parang may halong cotton siya, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Oo.
Like what do you prefer? Like gusto mo ba mga dry fit?
Parang may, for some reason, yung dry fit eventually bumabaho rin eh. Ako lang ba yun? Parang ako personally.
Ikaw, Kurt, like what can you say about that?
Kasi ako, when I do workout, like jogging lang kasi ako most of the time. So like, yung shorts na sinusuot ko, dry fit, ganun. Dry fit, tapos yung top like, any shirt na like, like solid color. Ganun. Pero with dry fit, parang, hindi masyado. Like, I haven't worn masyado ng dry fit. It's more of like, yung lang talaga, yung cotton fabric lang.
Ang nangyayari sa akin, pag tumitingin ako ng mga athleisure stuff or, sports
Yeah.
clothes, yung mga for exercise, basketball, basketball din ako. Parang tinitingnan ko siya, tapos pag hindi okay sa akin,
Yeah.
parang I try to wear something else. Kunyari, dry fit.
Okay.
I'm not a fan.
Yeah.
Kasi preference ko to. Hindi ako masyado nagda-dry fit. Mas gusto ko yung cotton.
Ako rin
Kasi
eh.
for some reason, ang sarap niya sa feeling
Yeah.
when you're actively
Yeah.
going through
Yeah,
your
it's more
workouts and
breathable.
everything.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I guess iba-iba rin ang preference.
Yeah, I
Totoo
agree.
naman.
And ang maganda niyan, lahat kaya mo hanapin dito sa Robinson's Department
Yes.
Store.
Exactly.
Alright.
Diba? Ayan.
Ayan.
Okay. I want to talk about more about your personal preference. Like if you are going to go, kunyari, formal event. Actually, sobrang confused na ako ngayon sa smart casual. Ako lang ba?
Hindi, ako rin. Same.
Like ano ba talaga? Like dati, ang smart casual, pag lalaki ka, automatically, kailangan mo mag-blazer.
Okay.
See, you don't
I
even
didn't know.
parang...
Akala ko long sleeves lang yung smart casual eh.
Yun yung weird thing.
Yeah.
It's so lost in the gray area na hindi pag binibigyan ka kunyari punta ka event. Ito yung dress ito yung dress code
Yeah.
natin.
Dress code.
Smart casual, nakita mo yung label. Pero yung pinapakita nilang visual, is this really
Elevated, yeah.
smart? So, what can you say about that kind of evolution na ang hirap na sumunod sa dress code?
Yeah. Siguro yun nga, a big factor of this is the social media and fashion in general because fashion keeps on evolving over time.
Right.
And yun nga, like yung mga nauso ngayon, yung parang, from what you've said earlier, yung blazer. Like, ever since kasi parang, dati parang, pag when you wear blazer, parang formal talaga siya. But now, people tend to get creative and like layer it like use it kahit na hindi naman siya na like a formal event. Parang minsan kahit naka-off-duty look ka, if you're like wearing like a jeans, like paired with like a basic top, and you can also like wear like a blazer and wear a cap.
Pasok na
Yeah,
no?
pasok na siya. So parang it elevates parang mukhang di mo siya napag-isipan pero parang pinag-isipan mo rin at the end of the day.
Yeah, yun
So,
yung ganda. Mas personalized,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Parang like yung sinabi mo sa off-duty look, mukha siyang off-duty because of the combination.
yeah.
Pero if you really look at the concept of what you're wearing, alam mong may pupuntahan ka eh.
Yeah.
So, yun, I guess, as a person who's close to turning 30 this year, pareho kami ni
Ramdam ko
Tommy.
yun, Ramdam ko
Sorry,
yun,
Tommy. Pareho kami. Parang you really need to adapt to that kind of lifestyle. Kasi if hindi ka sumabay sa trend, ikaw yung magmumukhang out of place
Yes.
sa event.
Yes.
Actually, to add sa sinabi mo, siguro, I've learned na parang, ewan ko, for me lang to siguro don't dress your age.
Ooh!
Kasi since I've worked dati sa magazine, like a publication, like I wear, like, hindi ako like naka-jeans talaga. Like, minsan lang ako naka-jeans, pero I always wear a suit, like, sa work. Like, minsan naka-hat pa nga ako, like, nag-over-accessories ako sa earrings, ganyan. Tapos napagkakamalan nila akong parang, I look 30 kasi when I dress talaga na hindi ko age, like, hindi talaga yung parang normal na you look like 24, like your age, ganun. Pero kasi nababawi ko siya, siguro kung gaano ako kaliit. Pero yun, siguro, the best thing that you can do is like, don't, like, wear like your age.
Okay. Gusto ko yun Kukunin ko yun Nanakawin ko yun.
So, tong si Kurt, dressing para mas magmukhang matanda.
Oo, actually,
baliktad.
Di ko alam.
Pabalik,
Yun yung
oo.
gusto ko Ewan ko. Ano?
So, mag-meet tayo lahat halfway.
Yeah.
So, at the end of the day, we're still going to follow suit. Na parang, pasok pa rin tayo sa dress
So
code.
next time, yung clothes natin, naka-diaper na lang para sa
pabalik ng pabalik.
Ay, nako.
Pero umuso rin ngayon yung napansin ko, yung, tawag dito, shorts na denim na below the knee.
Jorts.
The jorts.
The
Yeah,
jorts.
The
So,
jorts, yeah.
That's so
Kasi
interesting.
first time ko makakita kong taong naka-jorts. Nanonood ako wrestling.
John Cena.
Ganon. So parang, where did that come from? Like, did it just, rise out of nowhere? Bakit nagkaroon ng re-emergence?
Actually, yung with the jorts kasi siguro di naman siya galing talaga sa more on like Western European, yung unang like nag-originate ng mga utilize ng mga jorts, and parang sa social media talaga wala kasi yung parang platform ng social media to influence people, lalo na yung mga Pinoy.
Right.
Like to wear like kung ano yung uso sa kanila kailangan masuot din natin. So parang ayun, at first parang I didn't like jorts, pero when I see, di ba parang jorts is more of like streetwear, ganyan, streetwear, ginagamit nila. Pero I saw like a post na someone wearing jorts, pero tailored siya. And the guy layered it with like a blazer.
Grabe,
parang,
no?
Yeah.
Parang it look, pwede na din siya maging off-duty look,
Tommy,
actually.
would you do that?
Yung jorts, parang hindi ko ata kaya eh. Hindi ko alam kung bagay siya sa akin eh.
Hindi ko ma-imagine.
Pero yun yung sinabi ko dati about yung baggy jeans.
Oo,
Sabi ko,
pero
hindi to
nagbabaggy
bagay
ka ngayon, di ba?
Oo, pero nung tinatry ko, okay pala naman.
Minsan mapupuwersa ka na lang sumunod eh.
Oo. Again, don't dress your age. Diba?
Oh, don't dress your
Kailangan
age.
i-try.
Actually, yung trick ko ngayon, kasi sobrang hindi ko na alam how I should wear things.
Yeah.
Tinitingnan ko ngayon, pag may nakita ako, kunyari here sa Robinsons Department Store, punta ako, kung ano yung nakikita ko dyan, yun yung uso. Gets.
Gets naman.
So parang whatever I wear, whatever combination I try to do, I know na papasok siya sa trend one way or the other.
Yeah.
Kasi laging updated naman yung mga clothes
You tend to
everywhere.
adapt talaga.
Oo, you tend
Pero
to
maganda
adapt.
nga, like social media, ang dami ng tips on how to dress. Based on your body type, your height,
Naging
everything.
accessible na
Oo.
siya.
Grabe.
So it's very easy
Totoo,
na rin.
ang dami ko nakikita sa reels ko eh.
Oo, diba?
Yung mga fashion trend.
ideas. Oo,
So easy
sobrang
to
dali.
everyone to
Yeah. And ang napansin ko din, people are not, correct me if I'm wrong pero hindi na masyadong brand conscious ngayon yung mga tao.
I agree.
Yes.
Would you agree?
Yes.
So parang, it's really up to you.
Yes.
Before sila yung nagdidikta, ngayon mas
Totoo.
ikaw na bahala kung anong gusto mo gawin.
Nakita ko yun, like, ngayon dahil sa mga trends, like, before, yung flex mo is, ay, binili ko to sa brand. Insert brand name here. Ngayon, parang, I thrifted this. Parang mas flex. Ang galing naman ito. Parang, nahanap niya to sa thrift shop, tapos, ganito kabigat yung suit niya. Parang ganun.
You can mix and match, no?
Yeah.
Grabe.
Galing. Sobrang galing.
I think that's also the influence of your generation, meaning the younger ones.
Yeah.
Na parang mas thrifty kayo ngayon.
Mas creative, experimental.
Pero at the same time, combination pa rin.
Yes.
'Di ba? You would think na, okay, for someone na, naka-shirt, jeans, and shoes na branded, and all of a sudden, yung eyeglasses nila, nakuha nila sa, na-thrift nila or
Ito lang
something.
nila.
So, it's really a mix and match.
Pero yung galing nga sa thrifting, I didn't know until may nakausap ko na Gen Z. Kasi for the longest time, akala ko parang makatipid lang.
Right.
Ganun. But it's actually also to save the environment, no?
Yeah. Sustainable
Apparently.
practice.
Sustainable practice. So, ang galing rin.
Actually, ang dami dito.
Ang galing.
Kung nasan
Ang
tayo
galing.
ngayon.
Yeah.
Like, if you just look around, there are a lot of options na, ang gusto, okay, mahilig kasi ako sa place na bukod sa lahat ng doon, lahat din from, tawag dito, formal, semi-formal, up to briefs. Nandun lahat.
Yeah.
It's hard to get it from other places. Merong mga nagtatry,
Yeah.
alam mo yun, pero you won't find everything in one place.
Yeah, I agree.
So parang,
Tama.
or baka naman preference ko rin na mahilig ako, hindi, gusto ko nandito na lahat. So if you're like me, isang place na lang yung puntahan nyo.
shop.
Yeah.
Diba? What else do? Okay, dito na tayo sa segment pala na tinatawag ko. This is the walang edit segment. Tawag dito is, who's on your list? Gab,
Okay.
who's on your Wala akong co-host ngayon. Akala ko, sasabay si Gab sa akin. So, ito, guys, sa who's on your list, ito lang naman is magtatanong ko sa inyo ng top 3 things. And for this special episode, ang tanong ko is, ano yung top 3 for you,
Yeah.
Top 3 styles in men's fashion. Unahin natin si Tommy.
Gagayahin ko lang sana sagot ni Kurt eh.
Unahin natin si Kurt.
Unahin natin si
Kurt,
Kurt. Para lang po.
Siguro for me, since I love blazers, siguro tailored blazers, not like tailored, not like fit to you, like super sikep, more of like boxy, para mas makagalaw ka and like, ayun, gives you like the shape. And siguro next is siguro monochrome.
Okay.
Siguro kasi it's so easy to like layer it with monochrome, 'di ba? Mas madali. Parang hindi ka na sa umaga, di ka na mag-overthink kasi that's where I have my problem siguro dati when I work in the fashion, like sa magazine. Kasi every day is like I need to dress up, like normal na siya sa akin. So like with monochrome, parang you're just gonna play with like the shades and mix and match and that's it. And siguro mas yun nga, mas ewan ko, siguro yung sa mga loose clothes, mas loose clothes
Basta
talaga
loose,
ako.
no?
Yeah.
Sarap
Parang,
kasi.
it gives you like the personality, ewan ko. For me.
Pag napunta ka sa comfort mo na wardrobe, hindi ka na talaga babalik.
Hindi na.
Ayoko din ng masikip na clothes ngayon. So, more
Buti
of like,
na buhay.
as you can see, diba? Diba?
Lahat loose.
Loose.
Hindi ka papawisan and everything. Ikaw, Tommy.
Actually, same. Number 1 pa rin talaga is yung comfort. Ako, specifically yung joggers. Kasi sobrang lambot talaga. Parang nga nakapajamas ka talaga, literal. Kapag suit mo yun, sobrang flowy,
Tapos
sobrang
fleece yung loob.
Oo. And then siguro, the next one is bumalik ulit yung nga basic shirts. Very plain stuff talaga. Yun yung gusto ko. And then lastly is, I think lahat ng sasabihin ko, comfort eh. Shoes naman. Di ba bumalik ulit yung...
Yes,
Yung
let's talk
dating
about
sinasabi, New Balance, yung pang tatay yan eh. Pero ngayon, sobrang sikat na ulit,
Gen
di ba?
Z.
Yeah.
Lahat
Everyone's wearing it. Everyone's wearing it.
Everyone's wearing it.
Yeah.
Like,
so I love it. Yeah.
Nung nakuha ko to, etong suot ko ngayon, hindi ka nababalik sa kinagisnan mo before eh.
Yeah.
Kasi, but at the same time, I see younger people now na bumabalik sa mga retro style.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
like for example, Converse lang eh.
Oo.
'Di ba? Converse. Punta ka sa yung mga classic high cut and low cut.
Yes.
Low cut. Bumabalik siya. So parang partner it with denim pants or jorts if you want. 'Di
Pero
ba?
yung gusto ko, for example, yung sa pagbalik ng New Balance, for me, sobrang convenient kasi mag-gym ako. Kung kailangan ko lumabas, tapos medyo mas ayos yung suot, pwede pa rin, di ba?
Yeah.
Di na wala nang dalawang shoes kailangan dala. Parang, dati kasi just to dress formally or better, kailangan may, let's say, mag-gym ka.
Separate.
May loafers ka dapat dala. Di ba? Hindi na eh. Kaya na eh.
Ako, eto feeling ko ngayon ko lang to sasabihin. Kasi I've been hosting weddings and napapansin ko, bumabalik yung mga barong weddings as for men. Sobrang naiinggit ako dun sa mga, kasi ang stylish na ng mga barong ngayon.
Yeah, I agree.
So, I went here dito sa merong sa executive. Nakita ko yung mga barong nila. Parang alam mo yung merong mga, di ba, anong kulay ba yung barong? Brown, beige?
Yeah.
Beige,
Ganon. Tapos
Earth
meron
tone.
siyang art na black dito sa gitna.
Okay.
Kasi di ba nung before,
Embroidery, more like
Oo.
playful na
playful na ngayon, which I think, goes back to the personalization era
Yeah.
in men's fashion. Wala lang, nabanggit ko lang
At
kasi.
saka parang nung bata ko, yung barong lang na alam ko, yung isushoot mo yung sarili mo, di ba?
Tas that's it.
Yun na.
Tapos
Ngayon,
black slacks.
Oo.
Tas, actually, hindi mo nga alam paano eh.
Oo.
Dapat ba sabay? So, ibig sabihin, ako ang ginagawa ko, hindi ko alam kung good practice yun. Yung ibabato ko sa taas,
Oo.
tapos igaganong ko.
Okay yun ah.
Kasi mag-isa ka lang eh. Anong gagawin mo? Sinong saan ka hingi ng tulong?
Wala na.
Pero yun din yung sa'yo, yung top 3 mo.
Oo, yun din.
Okay. At least, tayo. Kumbaga, same page tayong tatlo. Alright. So, may follow-up questions ako. Actually, personal question to.
Okay.
Kasi gusto ko malaman, ano ba yung mga outdated na? Okay. So, I want you to give me your top 3. Sa tingin nyo, top 3 most outdated fashion style today. Na para pag nakita mo, bro, saan ka galing? Sa 2001? Para mga ganun.
Oo.
So, can you give me yours? Ikaw muna, Tommy. Gusto mo?
Sige, bigay mo na ako isa.
Sige.
Alternate na lang. Siguro yung mga either graphic t-shirts or yung wala na ata nag-v-neck. So kung nag-v-neck ka pa, wala na akong nakikitang v-neck. Pero kung nag-v-neck ka na,
okay.
parang medyo ano na yun, di ba? Oo.
Nagtitinginan yung studio audience. Naka-v-neck ba ako today?
Pangalawa pala yung naalala mo yung RL na sobrang laki yung pony?
What's this?
Di ba dati may mga polo shirts ang lalaki ng mga kabayo?
Dito.
Like yung mga prints
Right,
talaga.
right, right.
Parang yung dalawa siguro na masasabi ko.
Okay.
Siguro for me, siguro I have to say the same. Yung graphic talaga. Tapos yung super colorful pa nang nangyayari.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I love like prints, pero like not graphic.
Oo.
Kasi parang, how would you style it? Siguro you could style it with the jeans lang, like a simple jeans. And awkward if nag-layer-layer ka pa, parang there's so much happening.
Right.
Siguro, next naman sa akin, siguro yung, if you wear like luxury brands na parang, yung may name ng luxury here, may luxury name here, like iba-iba.
Like, in your face?
Yeah. Parang you don't have to, I mean, yes, you have like siguro you have the budget to purchase those kinds of clothing. Pero parang hindi mo naman kailangan i-prove na you're like a fashion type of person if you like wear these kinds of luxury brands. Parang it's more of like, siguro if you're gonna wear like a luxury, siguro pair it with like a basics, basic stuff na parang it wouldn't look like in your face na what's your vibe going for, ganun.
Right. So, okay, feeling ko magagalit kayo sa akin. Kasi I grew up liking graphic tees.
Oh my God.
Oh, totoo.
It's okay.
Nung nauso yung statement shirts, grabe, as in, lahat ng statement shirt. Yung I'm with stupid. Alam niyo yan? Yung before. Tapos may nakaturo sa katabi mo. Tapos kung san-san ka tumatabi. Minsan pinag-tripan ko pa yung mga klase ko pag may photos. Tatabihan ko. Tatabihan ko yung teacher ko. Alam mo yun? So, para ito was a trend before. And I think, uso pa yung trend dati na may graphic tee ka. Tapos magkukot ka.
Yeah.
And then, pants, and then rubber shoes.
Yeah.
So parang, I think napanood ko yun sa isang movie before. Nakalimutan ko which movie, superhero movie. Anyway, so ayaw nyo na sa graphic tees ngayon. Personally, hindi na siya on trend talaga. Okay.
Parang flip-flops, hindi na rin uso.
Talaga?
Parang correct me if I'm wrong rin.
Yeah,
pero
actually.
parang hindi na.
Yeah, now that you mentioned.
What's the alternative to flip-flops?
Tawag dun, clogs. Clogs, no? That's the fashionable na
Okay.
Yeah, like yung mga bigger na shoe na.
Yeah.
I need to update my wardrobe. Okay. Sige. What's your favorite shirt? Type of shirt?
Basic talaga eh.
Basic.
Kung black talaga at saka white t-shirts, yun talaga. As in yung closet ko, sobrang daming black at saka white t-shirts lang. Yun lang talaga.
Okay. Black and white sa'yo.
Yeah. So it's just about finding the black and white t-shirt na best fit, most comfy, then goods na ako.
Gets.
Kasi ang dami mong pwedeng gawin with that eh. Dress
Oo.
it up, dress it down, diba?
Basta may basics ka sa wardrobe mo, mix and match na lang.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Kurt.
For me, actually black and white din. Pero recently parang I've like updated my wardrobe na I should have like pastel color. Siguro like a pop lang. Parang minsan, since I love wearing black, siguro I can pair it with something So parang black and like a vibrant color, like a toned down. So that's how I style myself na minsan na parang may pop of color, kuwari sa shoes, or like somewhere, like sa cap, may pink akong cap, tapos black lahat.
Red.
So parang hindi lang ako, just elevating myself lang na parang.
Meron akong tanong. Kasi nakita ko lang to sa online, sa reels ko. Yung undertones ng they call them undertones, 'di ba? Ng
like sa
ano ba to?
ugat?
Sa mga ugat mo.
Yeah.
Yung ba 'yun? Yung
Yung ba yung parang bagay na color sa'yo?
Oo.
Something like that.
Kumbaga, is it true?
Actually, yes. Kasi parang,
Okay.
I'm not a
Can you explain that, yung undertones theory?
Hindi, like, I'm not a professional when it comes to that. Pero what I can suggest is you first identify if you're like a warm or a cool tone. Tapos, with that, pag na-identify mo na like sa ugat, parang ganun. Kasi may different colors tayo ng ugat, di pala tayo pare-pareho, apparently. Tapos, it has like, when you search it online, like since yun na accessible, you can like see an array of colors, kung ano yung tone ng mga colors na bagay sa'yo. Tapos when I tried it, siguro ako kasi cool tone ako. Tapos,
Paano mo malalaman? Wait lang.
ewan ko, basta I just search it online. Tapos, yun nga, pag tinry ko yung mga colors na bagay sa cool tone, like, oo nga, parang actually yun nga, nag-pink up ako. Parang, kahit wala akong makeup or whatsoever, parang, it gives you like mukhang buhay. Like, the perfect color talaga, the perfect color gives you like a vibrant, explanation of you kung ano yung bagay talaga sa'yo na color.
Kasi yung iba, favorite color nila, susuot nila eh. Wala silang pake.
Yeah. Pero
Diba?
it's best to explore talaga dun sa mga color theory yan na.
Kasi
that
sa
will
akin,
perfectly fit you.
Sabi dito, 30 ka na, huwag ka na mag-skinny jeans. Yun yung sabi sa
Naging
akin.
fortune telling pala.
Oo.
Yung ano.
Okay, good to know. Yung mga outdated fashion style today. Pakinggan nyo yun and then update nyo kami. Tag mo ako. Oy, Leland, ito yung sinabi nyo. Punta ako dito sa Robinson's Department Store. Anyway, nandito na tayo sa next segment natin na tinatawag kong Unfiltered Takes. Gab, tulungan mo dito. Unfiltered Takes. Okay, namimiss ko na yung co-host ko. Okay, so we call this Unfiltered Takes. So basically, these are hot takes, opinions, pet peeves na galing sa inyo, kahit ano. Maybe there's something that you wanna get off your chest about fashion. Pag may nakita kang something, nagkikringe ka, pwede mong sabihin, alam mo, nagkikringe ako pag may nagsusuot ng, alam mo yun? So, bigyan ko kayo ng time to think about it. Okay, game. Joke lang. Meron ba kayo naisip today? Right now?
Ako meron na isa.
Yan. Kahit madami
Hindi, isa pa lang. Ayoko yung cap na nakapatong lang.
Oh. Like the trucker cap,
Oo,
tapos nakaganon.
tapos nakaganon
Like, ang
lang.
laki-laki niya, tapos nakaganon
Yung
lang.
parang literal na nilapag lang sa ulo. Yun medyo ako dun.
Parang going back yun sa mga Judgment days.
Okay, so Jejemon era yun. Wait lang, maghanap ako na nakakap dito. Meron bang nakakap dyan?
Yun.
Yung nakapatong lang, tapos kita mo yung yung strap niya, nakasagad.
Oo.
Diba?
Exactly.
Kung luwagan mo para bumaba, diba? Pwede naman eh. Welcome
Yun
to 2000s no?
Oo. Ano pa ba? Isip pa ako
Sige ako muna. One lang. Nagulat lang ako recently lang siya eh. Tapos yung, in like a sweater, diba? Like a round neck sweater.
Round
Tapos
neck
when
sweater.
people wear it, like actually the straight ones, like, tapos pag sinusuot nila, parang yung nakalabas yung isa. Like nakaganon siya. I don't know where it came from.
Parang incomplete.
Oo, parang it looks cool. It looks streetwear. Pero wala lang. Nagulat lang ako na may ganong emergence sa, like, on how you style yourself. Pero I find it interesting. Like, no hate or whatsoever. Pero nagulat lang ako, may ganito na pala.
Okay. Gets. Kasi, sige Tommy.
Ako hindi naman siya trend, pero hindi ko lang rin gets bakit sa mga ibang TikTok. Ito hindi ko ma-explain through my voice, pero mapapakita ko yung ginaganon nila yung baggy pants nila, yung parang pinapagpag nila.
Pinapagpag nila.
Oo, ba't may ganon?
Yeah.
Yun
When
yung
they
di ko
take
get.
videos, parang
Oo,
ginaganon
gaganon
nila.
palalo.
Parang like
Oo.
a balloon jeans, parang a balloon tailored.
Parang,
Ginaganon nila.
look how loose.
Oo,
Yeah,
parang
My
ganon.
pants are.
Yun yung di ko lang gets. Pero aside from that, parang wala na rin naman.
Actually, kasi hindi mo naman gagawin yun pag naglalakad. Pag naglalakad ka ba? Guys, tinan nyo. Diba? Kasha 3 legs dyan, no? Diba? What's your preferred width length ba? Tawag doon? Kasi ito yung preferred ko eh. Yung ganyan, yung kasha yung 2 legs ko.
Oo.
So, very specific ako. Nag-iisip sila.
Yeah.
Ako ba? Ilang ano ba? Kumbaga, pagka hindi doble nung leg ko, yung luwag sa loob, parang medyo manipis pa yun for me.
Oo.
Pero, iba rin yung comfort pag saktong-sakto eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, lumabas yung kaartehan ko yun. Pero the more maarte you are right now, the more you're gonna find the best
Yeah,
clothes for you eh.
Oo.
I agree.
Oo.
Diba?
Totoo yun.
Parang ginawa tong episode talaga para sa akin eh, no? Ako yung pinaka-maarte sa damit. Kahit hindi ako fashionable. Alam mo yung comfort lang, yung, kunyari, t-shirt kailangan yung thread count ganito.
Oo.
Kasi the moment na sobrang kapal,
Hindi, totoo yun actually.
Diba?
Yeah. Kasi I think before, parang padamihan ng damit eh. Ngayon
Yeah.
pa, pagandahan ng fit at saka quality ng damit eh.
Like sa wardrobe mo, you have like your own capsule wardrobe na
Oo.
you can
Totoo.
mix and match.
Ganito yung meeting namin ng friends ko. Kunyari, may gusto akong shirt niya. Before pa ako mag-high, first time namin mag-meet ulit, diba? Hawakan ko yung shirt niya. Saan mo nabili to? Totoo, promise. Alam ng friends ko yan, ng mga comedian friends ko. Na parang si Lilan laging hinahawakan yung t-shirt natin. No? Parang, sabi ko, kasi ang hirap talaga maghanap. That's why you need, alam mo yun, kailangan ko talaga ng options.
Yeah.
Agree.
Diba?
Yeah.
Ikaw, maarte ka ba sa mga kapal ng damit?
Siguro mas prefer ko yung, actually hindi.
Okay.
Any naman ako. Basta as long as it has like a good shape, I'm good with that. And tailored.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Isa lang yung pet peeve ko.
What?
Kasi bihira ako mag-white shirt eh. Pero I really love white shirts. The reason why hindi ako makapag-white shirt is because hindi ako fit inside. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
So lalabas yung mga unwanted curves mo.
Yeah, I agree.
Diba? Sabi sa inyo, maharte ako sa shirt eh.
Yeah.
Marami nagagalit sa akin eh. Anyway, eto na lang. Since yun na yun sa inyong dalawa, yun yung unfiltered take
What's
nyo.
yours?
Ang unfiltered take ko is, pagka minamit akong person, tapos, tinanong ko, kunyari tinanong niya ako, saan mo nabili yung shirt mo? Tapos sabihin ko, yung brand, ganyan. Tapos sasabihin niya sa akin, mas mura sa ganito eh. Na parang, ba't mo ako wina-one-up? Na parang, bakit, ano ngayon kung mas sulit yung nakuha mo? Diba? Ba't mo ako, ikaw nagtanong eh. Tapos sasabihin mo ako, pare, kung binili mo yan dito, mas mura yan eh. Oh, sorry sensya na. So parang sa akin,
Nagtitikon lang siguro.
hindi mo kailangan sabihin.
Kino-compare.
Yeah.
Actually, kahit hindi sa clothes eh. Kunyari may bagay kang nabili. Kunyari, bumili ka ng sapatos. Clothes din pala yung sapatos. Kunyari, bumili ka ng sapatos. Tinanong sa'yo, ganda dyan bro, saan mo nabili yan? Oh, ganito. Nakabili ko, for example, nabili ko siya 6,000, ganyan. 6,000? 3,500 lang yan sa... Alam mo yung parang pinapa-feel bad ka niya na mas gumastos ka.
Yeah.
Tigilan niyo yan nakakainis siya. Anyway, yun lang yung unfiltered take ko. Never one-up a person's purchase by telling that person na mas may mura niyan somewhere else.
Nabili mo na anong gagawin mo? Babalik mo.
Pwede, babalik ko. Diba? 30 days lang to eh. Diba? 31 days na eh. Diba? Anyway, okay, lumalabas yung galit ko. Pasensya na. Eto, puntahan natin to. Meron ba kayo ano yung misconceptions about branded or expensive clothes? Since na-mention mo kanina, Kurt, na hindi na uso ngayon na porkit branded yung suot mo maganda na.
Yeah.
Diba? Automatically.
Yeah.
So, ano yung misconceptions about branded and expensive clothes pa? More, beyond that.
Yeah. I think naman kasi, hindi mo naman kailangan to buy luxury clothes. Kasi kunwari, for example, like a luxury brand, titingin ka sa online, may peg ka. Tapos, you can buy naman like a specific piece na kunwari, if you're looking for a blazer, you can buy it here. Like, you don't have to prove to everyone na parang I'm wearing something expensive. Parang you have to hanap ka na lang ng peg na malapit, tapos just do it, just layer it, na parang hindi mo naman kailangan luxury lahat to prove na you're good in
I think
style.
kaya nga okay rin ngayon kasi sa mga reels, pinapakita nila same outfit pero brand na mura lang. Tapos
Paano
brand
mo may
na
reinterpret
branded, oo.
Right.
Tapos doon mo makikita, nga no? Tapos yung mga tao hindi nga mag-guess kung ano mas mahal eh.
Yeah,
Ang
exactly.
galing, oo.
You can never tell.
Yeah.
That's why, doon mo malalaman na magaling manamit yung isang tao.
Totoo.
Pag hindi mo na malaman, saan
Oo.
kaya to na
Yeah.
nakuha?
Yeah. Ang galing nga ngayon.
It's more of being creative and being experimental on kung saan ka bumibili rather than purchasing a luxury. Everything luxury.
Nothing against luxury brands din.
Yeah.
Pero it's come to a point that they really need to step up their game right now.
Oo.
Kasi hindi mo na makukuha yung tao just by telling them na, ganitong brand ako, therefore bilhin mo ako. It's not like that anymore. I guess, beyond clothing din, na parang, even with other things,
Yeah.
quality is king na ngayon.
Yes.
Agree.
100%.
Diba? Hindi na luxury.
Dati kasi nung luxury pa yung sikat, mga 100 naka-jacket ka, 100 beses, uulit-ulitin yung brand.
Yes.
Likod, harap, side, nandun
Yeah.
lahat yung branded.
Ngayon, pag bumili ka ng clothes, like mag-ikot ka lang dito, tapos kunyari pinurchase mo siya, meron nang nakalagay sa likod
Oo.
na up to, kunyari, 100 washes, same color pa rin.
Oh,
Yeah.
yun.
May mga ganun na siya eh.
Yeah.
So parang,
Hindi nag-fade agad.
Oo, hindi nag-fade agad.
Agree.
Like, if you go, punta ka lang dito sa bench eh. Ang dami nilang like black shirts, white shirts, na perfect yung yung kapal. Actually, napag-usapan namin to sa previous.
Yeah, I've saw it.
You've seen this one?
I've seen that
Na parang,
podcast.
kahit ilang washes na,
Yeah. Yun pa rin.
it stays the same.
Yeah,
Lalo na
yeah.
yung
Yung
black,
black.
nila.
Yun yung okay, oo.
Yes. As a, black shirt lover myself,
Basic tee.
kailangan ko maghanap ng basic tees na ganun. Anyway, thank you for sharing that. How about this one? Is it really possible to find stylish pieces made with good quality that have value for money? If so, anong mga recommendations nyo kung paano mo siya gagamitin? Like, how hard is it to find a good quality, for example, good quality shirt, good quality pants? Kasi, for me, before you share yours, I think it's easier now than before na kailangan mo talagang maghanap ng
Yeah.
kung saan kailangan. Very specific yung puntahan mo para makuha mo yung ganitong piece of clothing na good quality. Minsan word of mouth, minsan nakita mo lang sa, kunyari, online. Saan nyo nakuha yun? Is it still the same? Kasi to me, I feel like it's everywhere now.
Yeah, I agree. For me naman, yun nga. So, in today's generation, it's much more accessible, lalo na when you go to like a department store here. Na parang if you ask like a sales, I'm looking for something soft na like a basic tee, like a round neck. Parang they would assist you, tapos parang pag nakita mo na yung pieces, parang it's much more easier sa'yo na to pick kung ano yung best one. And yun, parang for me, in accessibility lang, yun yung parang yung maganda right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Same.
parang,
Totally agree nga.
ako, parang mas dumali yung buhay ko sa pagbili ng good quality. Actually, ang napapansin ko ngayon, hindi brands eh. Kumbaga, for some reason, nawala na sa utak ko yung brands na hahanapin. I just go like wherever I am, na parang okay, titingnan ko muna yung yung damit and then look at the brand after. Kaya gusto ko kasi fair game dito eh.
Yeah.
Compared to when you go to a specific store. 'Di ba? If you go here, andito yung totoong mako-compare mo eh.
Oo.
Across the next aisle lang yung isa eh.
Hindi, tsaka ako honestly, yung, like nakakabili ako ng mga magagandang yung pang tennis court, pang gym ko na sleeveless dito sa department store na mas mura naman, mas maganda quality compared to mga exactly the same like sleeveless shirt tapos tinatakan lang ng
That's overpriced.
overpriced.
Ah.
Diba? Ba't pa magaganon?
I guess yun yung best thing
Yeah.
na pwede mo makuha sa Robinson's
Oh,
department
exactly.
store. Yung parang, you can compare. Right then and there. You don't need to walk, 1 kilometer
To another
to
store.
another section.
Oh.
Nandito na lahat. So I guess, at least to me, yun yung pinaka advantage
Yeah.
ng pwede mo makuha. Yeah. So, nandun na yan. Tapos na tayo sa unfiltered takes. Unless, meron pa kayong gustong sabihin.
I'm good.
Oh, wala nang
Sure,
pahabol.
baka may pinipigilan ka, Kurt. Alam ko, sa age group mo, marami kayong hindi nilalabas.
Hindi, yun nga. Also to add
Sabi
lang.
sa'yo, meron pa.
It's also,
Meron.
and also to add lang, since yun nga, if you're like looking for a specific piece na gusto mo talaga, and if you're gonna go to from a specific store, tapos gusto mo yung hinahanap mo doon, tapos madidisappoint kapag wala sila or out of stock sila. Yun kasi
yeah.
yung parang nairita ko dati when I do shopping. Tapos you're gonna go to another store.
Canvas ka.
Oo, mas malayo pa yung mga stores
Oo,
nila from each
yeah.
other. And when compared here sa department store, sa Robinsons, parang it's much more easier na parang ikutin mo na lang. Like, magka-canvas ka, check mo yung kung ano, i-compare mo lahat kung ano yung best na would suit you. And if you've decided na parang isang bagsakan na lang.
Tsaka alam mo, napansin ko, na I don't think everyone knows also. Pag punta ka sa department store, yung mga hinahanap mong brands, minsan or madalas, dito na-sale.
Nandito na, exactly.
Like 30%
Di mo alam na
off,
dun sa
40% off,
Yeah.
compared
Totoo
to
yun. Totoo
stores sa
yun.
labas.
Yeah. Pansin ko nga,
Specific,
actually. Totoo
Yeah.
yun.
So yun, check it out. Okay, nandito na tayo sa semi-last portion ng Walang Edit-Edit podcast. Nandito na tayo sa Walang Edit-Edit question. Wag mo ko tawanan, Gab. Grabe, hindi mo na ako tinutulungan sa introduction. Si Gab yung producer namin ng TVN. Hi ka nga, Gab. Okay, wag na. Sige. So, itong question na to, since usually we ask our previous guests kung ano itatanong niya sa inyo. Pero for this special episode, kasi powered by Robinson's Department Store to, at meron tayong studio audience. Palakpakan nga, studio audience! Woo! Sarap ng kain nyo dyan, ha? May
Let's go.
papizza kayo. Pwede ba ipasok yan dito sa RDS? Okay. Pwede daw. Okay. So, nanggaling to sa audience natin. Ang tanong, galing sa audience. Hindi ko na
Okay.
sasabihin yung name
Yes.
ng audience member na yun. Pero sabi niya, ito yung tanong if magiging salesperson ka sa loob ng Robinson's Department Store, anong product yung ibebenta mo? Start tayo kay Tommy.
Brief.
Doon ka pa rin no?
Brief pa rin talaga.
Imo-model mo.
Oy.
Diba?
So bakit?
Kasi, ako personally, may problema ako pagka nagiging bacon, yung nagbe-bacon yung brief mo.
Overtime.
Yung pet peeve ko. Isa pa yung pet peeve ko. Oo.
Okay.
So, feeling ko mabebenta ko talaga yung brief. Sabihin ko lang parang, kailangan mo ba ng brief na hindi yung mabilis mag-bacon-bacon para naman pagka, alam mo yun, romansahan na. Hindi naman nakakahiya, hindi naman,
Parang
tatago mo pa yung brief mo, di ba?
mukhang pang breakfast yung garter.
Tsaka di ba, uso kasi yung parang
Bacon.
pagka, let's say, nagpapakayami ka, medyo pinapakita mo yung brief mo.
Actually, trend
Yung-
siya ngayon
Oo.
Yung nakalabas yung di ba, jeans. Tapos yung garter,
Yung
nakalabas
garter,
ng konti.
yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
Para siya naka-layer na.
Naka-layer siya.
Paano mo
Part of-
gagawin yun kung bacon brief yung ano mo, di ba?
That's a good point.
Diba?
That's a really good point.
Especially sa joggers, bagay siya.
Sa joggers.
Okay, hindi ko dapat sasabihin to. Pero, just to add
Yeah.
to your point, Tommy, di naman sa pagmamalaki, pero galing din sa Robinson's Department Store yung brief ko. Gusto ko lang sabihin na jockey, dyan lang yun, boxer briefs. Good quality. Like, if you're a person na meron akong jockey, bro, siya, like, I think, more than 5 years na.
Yeah.
Hindi, wag niyo i-imagine siya, like, hindi siya nagbe-bacon.
Yeah.
So, try to visit that. Meron silang maroon, blue, tsaka, isa pa? Meron bang taga-jockey area dito? Hello? Meron po bang jockey representative dito sa Robinson's Department Store? Hindi. So, yun. I like their briefs. Paano mo ibebenta? Kunyari, sales ka. So, pasok ako. Meron kayong mga briefs dito, sir.
Ano ba hanap mo, boss? Yung parang pagka nag-picture-picture ka maganda, yung parang hindi nakakaya, naka-bacon.
Actually, wala akong balak ipakita. Pero nasabi mo na rin, sige.
Yun. Ito maganda, boss. Siguradong ako hindi na ito magbe-bacon brief. Hindi ka mapapaya sa karomansa mo.
Okay. Dinaan mo sa Guapo Points kasi ang daya nung salesperson natin.
Hindi naman.
So, ikaw, briefs yung
Brief.
gusto mo ibenta.
Brief talaga.
Ikaw, Kurt, pili ka. Ikot ka dito. Ano yung gusto mong ibenta sa men's den?
Siguro, if I'm gonna sell something sa men's areas, probably, like, denim jacket or like, a blazer. Like, a over. Kasi, for me, it's much more easier to style. Like I can, siguro, if I'm gonna sell it to someone, parang, I could demo na parang, I can layer it with this one. Tapos I would choose like an inner shirt na would fit it. Tapos surrounding like may pants din na babagay dun sa ano. So parang, for me, it's much more easier to sell like an outerwear.
So mas madaling ibenta for you
Yeah.
if it's like a cover-up.
Yeah. Kasi when you sell
Outer
an
layer.
cover up, tapos you can demo like an inner shirt na bagay doon. Tapos you can also suggest like a pants. So parang mabibenta mo siya lahat.
Grabe. So,
It starts siguro sa outerwear. Kasi nga, ang pinipili minsan nila like shirt lang and pants. So minsan nakakalimutan yung outerwear. So it's better to start with an outerwear. Tapos all throughout. Tapos makita niya yung full look.
Okay, so what if, kunyari ko yung salesperson. So, kunyari, nandito tayo sa Levi's or ano ba isa? Ano yung katabi ng Levi's? Sa Jag, for example. Punta ako doon. Tapos, hi. Naghahanap ako. Actually, shirt lang hinahanap ko eh. May shirts ba kayo dito?
Yeah. Hi sir, actually we have this kind of shirt pertaining to this shirt. Tapos, sir, if you're looking for like a pants, we also have this pants that
Actually, shirt lang hinahanap ko. Pero, bakit mo nasuggest yung pants?
because we have this pants kasi is bagay to this jacket. So if you fit for the whole look, it's perfect for you. Parang ganun.
Grabe, ang galing mag-sales talk. Okay. Suggestion sa mga sales people here. Pag binenta kayo ng t-shirt, samahan nyo ng pants. Oo. Para 2 birds, 1 stone.
Yeah.
So, mahilig ka sa denim?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, madaming nagda-denim ngayon.
Kasi basics din naman kasi ang denim.
Tsaka kahit
hindi siya
mainit.
malalaos.
Kahit mainit.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yun yung bagong tiis ganda. Dati may tiis ganda na sa sikip, nasa sa shoes na balat. Ngayon, comfort. Pero at the same time, hindi nalalaos yung denim talaga, no?
Totoo.
Like, 70s, 80s, may denim na hanggang ngayon may denim pa rin.
Tapos it keeps getting, parang different styles, different shapes, basta na-incorporate nila yung, minsan deconstructed na denim. And,
I-judge mo yung suot ko ngayon. Like, how am I doing?
you're doing good.
Kunyari, hindi mo...
1 to 10.
Gusto ko yung gumano siya sa akin, no? Alam mo yung lumevel siya. Alam ko, matanda na to, kaya kailangan ko mag 2 thumbs up.
I love the jacket that's suede.
Oo.
Paired with jeans and white sneakers.
Ay, nako, Kurt. Salamat. Anyway, so tapos na tayo sa walang edit question. Before we wrap up, gusto ko lang din i-promote lahat ng official channels ng RDS. Actually, can we make that a trend? Instead of saying Robinson's Department Store, gawin na i-gensify natin siya. 'Di ba? Pwede ba natin sabihin RDS?
RDS.
Or
RDS.
Ards? O okay ba yung Ards? Sa mo na ko yan? Ards to, pare.
Ards.
Ganda ba yan?
Pwede.
What's Ards? Robinson's Department Store.
Ooh. Naghanap ko ng shirt? Hindi. Dagdagan mo ng pants. Di ba, Heart? Ards. Gagamitin ko yan, Robinson's. You're not Robinson's Department Store anymore. You're Ards. If you wanna cater to the younger market, like Kurt, Ards. Tsaka damihan niya yung denim. Di ba? Anyway. So, anong gagawin ko? Papromote ako ng channels ng Ards. Robinson's follow their channels online at Robinson's Department Store, at Robinson's Department Store Fashion. Ayun, sa both Instagram, Facebook, and also TikTok. Same everywhere. So, Robinson's Department Store and Robinson's Department Store Fashion. Ayan. So, anything else that you guys want to share with everyone here when it comes to fashion? Any advice for the younger people or even the older people? Yung mga older ones. Yan, di ba? Kurt, ikaw muna.
Siguro for me, don't be afraid don't be intimidated with what you see online. So,
ganda na
since nga super expressive, expressive lahat ng tao in terms of styling themselves. So, for you to identify what fits the style for you, siguro don't be scared to try different silhouettes na you wouldn't think of you wearing it. So try to start with the pants. Siguro if you're used to wearing straight leg, siguro try mo yung parang a barrel jeans or try a flared one, baka bagay siya sa'yo. So, yun nga, don't be intimidated. Just try. Just be experimental. So, ano yung gusto mo, dun ka mag-gravitate. Tapos, tinan mo lang yung mga different ways on how you can style them within yourself.
I think that's the best advice na nakuha ko ever.
Ay, wow.
Hindi, totoo. I'm not even playing. Kasi yung pinaka-fear ko personally is trying out new stuff.
Yeah.
Kasi sobrang nasanay ka na sa before na pag sinabihan ka kasi pag nag-try ka kasi ng bago, sabihin nila, ay, ba't ka, porket yan yung uso sa ganito.
Yeah.
So, parang meron laging stigma.
Yeah, may barrier yun.
May barrier na pag bago yung sinuot mo, pupunahin nila. Na parang, ayos, flared pants, flared pants.
Yun nga eh.
Na parang, okay, tito. Pero, alam mo yun, meron silang, for some reason, gine-gatekeep.
Yeah.
Hindi siya gatekeeping eh. Nire-restrict ka nila. Sinashame ka nila.
They're shaming
for
you.
trying out new stuff just because hindi nila ginagawa yun.
Totoo.
Agree.
Thank you, Kurt, Salamat. How about you, Tommy?
Ako medyo related rin to that, which is, at saka sinabi mo na, don't be afraid to try new things. Kasi hindi mo na alam kung bagay sa yung isang bagay until na-try mo. Like for me, akala ko, dito pwede sa akin yung luwag-luwag na clothes. Pero nung trinay ko, sabi, okay naman. Tapos ako rin, na-shame na rin ako yung mga mas bata kong friends. Wow, bro, ang luwag ng pants mo, skater boy ka ba? Maya-maya, mga 2-3 months later, sila nakaganon na rin. Sabi ko, so ganun nga. So, yun.
Yun yung nakakatawa na parang, before we wrap everything up, yun nakakatawa. Isa-shame ka nila for a moment.
Yeah.
And then a few months after,
Tatry
ba't
din
mo
nila.
ginagawa? Diba, kala ko ba, inaasar mo ako, parang, Linkin Park.
So, sabihin nila, ang ganda pala eh. Ganun.
May one time, may tumawag sa akin ng kasi black pants, tapos wide. Ganito rin ka wide.
Yeah.
Hindi siya sobrang flared up.
Yeah.
Ganito lang. And then I wear comfort shoes and then baggy shirt. So sabi niya, ayos bumabalik Limp Bizkit Dude, yung edad mo yung lumalabas. Hindi yung fashion ngayon.
Yeah.
Parang alam mong hindi nila tinatry ever. Pero thank you for that kind of empowerment, Kurt and Tommy, for backing me up.
Thank you. Of course.
Salamat. Before we wrap everything, kanina ko pa sinasabi, meron ba kayong gusto i-promote, Kurt?
Not naman. Siguro, just follow my IG, Kurt Abonal. So, I'll let me know if you want style. So,
message nyo siya.
Since I do styling,
Tommy?
Ako naman, Instagram ko, TikTok ko at TommyTiangco __ and my YouTube channel, Tim and Tom. Thank you so much, guys.
And Tom, thank you so much. And
Thank
for
you so
me,
much.
again, please follow or join our Walang Edit podcast group. Lagpas 1,000 na kami. Palakpakan naman.
Yes!
Sabi nung iba, ano yun? Ganun lang sila. Pero thank you. At this is again powered by Robinson's Department Store. Off duty lahat ngayon pero pinapasok ko lahat. Thank you so much, TPN. And again, my name is Leland Lim. Wala nang edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.